Hello guys, welcome to Break It Fix It. Today we're gonna be fixing an iPhone 8 Touch ID. So the next thing you wanna do is try and gently pull on the screen. After that you're gonna want to pry on it, but be very careful if you put your pick way too deep into the circuits, because you could easily damage it, and they are a very expensive fix. So what you need to be doing is gently going throughout the phone. Try the corners first, then the sides, and gently try and lift it up until now, for example, we got it. So next thing you want to do is unscrew this bracket. There are 4 screws, make sure not to lose them. Now you want to do the same thing with this ribbon. Also, be very careful not to break it. There are 3 screws in this one. Now gently you're gonna disconnect all of the connections. There are 4. Next step is removing the Touch ID. You're gonna want to remove the 4 screws on the bracket on top of the Touch ID. After that, we're gonna unplug the Touch ID and gently, very careful, remove it. Now we're gonna put in the new Touch ID, the same process here. Plug it in, put once again the bracket along with its 4 screws. Don't tighten them too hard, or sometimes this can make the Touch ID stop working. Once you got that, we're gonna prepare to put the adhesive on the phone. By this, gently try and clean the phone of any dust. Now we're gonna peel off the sticker, and very gently and slowly, to make sure we don't make any consequential mistakes, we're gonna start putting it on the phone. You can use the alignment that it has to help you put it on properly. Now you're gonna want to pat it to make sure that the adhesive stays on the phone. After this, we can remove the blue sticker. Now we're gonna connect the 3 ribbons of the screen back to the phone and gently place the bracket on top, and once again put the screws into place. Once again guys, this is just a reminder that this video took a lot of effort, and every like and subscriber is much appreciated. We're gonna repeat the process with the other bracket until they are all screwed down. So after that's done, you're gonna want to gently brush the phone to make sure we remove any unwanted dust. Now what you're gonna want to do is pat it down. Make sure you hear a few clicks to make sure it's firmly in its place. Now we're gonna once again grab our 2 screws that we unscrewed at the beginning. Sorry if I forgot about that. And that would be it, guys. Thanks a lot, and subscribe. So just to show you that it works, we're gonna power it on, and just a reminder, the first 5 comments on this video who are also subscribed will be credited in the next video, and it works! Thank you guys, subscribe!